Welcome to your quick guide on adding a smartwatch to Google Fit. Let's dive in. First, ensure your smartwatch is charged and powered on. Check its Bluetooth settings. Open the Google Fit app on your smartphone. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. In the app, tap on Profile at the bottom navigation bar. Here's where your devices are managed. Next, tap Add Device and select your smartwatch model from the list of compatible devices. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. You're all set. Now that your smartwatch is connected, open Google Fit to view your fitness data. Monitor your heart rate, steps, and workouts right from your wrist for better health insights. Sync your activities and set personalized goals to stay on track with your fitness journey. Remember to regularly check for app updates to keep your smartwatch functioning optimally. Thank you for watching. Enjoy tracking your fitness with your new smartwatch. For more tips, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.